Oh, where's the fold? There's the fold. Okay, putting it where we want it to be. You're gonna go there. Looking. Am I at the right spot? Oh, move over a little. There's glue on it. Can you see? There. Okay. All right. There. That looks pretty good right there. Not bad. Not bad. We'll take it. And this guy. How long do you want to be? How long do you want to be? I don't want to be that long. Okay. You are. All right. So we have that. And now we just need to put some papers under it. So I'm going back in the old, the bin of papers. Okay. What do we got? We got this. We got that. And we got this. Okay. These are just random. I have a white piece. I have a book text and I have a picture. And I just thought that might be fun to put in here. Okay, so let's just align these. Okay. And then we're going to use this as our template. And then we're going to use this and hopefully tear once, cut 3 at the same time. You could also use your craft knife here. I like the torn edge look. Okay. And then we're going to take the whole thing. You could clip this together if you want, or you could just finger clip. Do that. And then what do we got? We got the top. Okay. And let's just do this. All right, there we go. So now I took this, you could staple this, you could glue these. I did take this to the sewing machine, so I'm just going to go do that. Hold on. Okay, I'm back. And I have sewn a quick zigzag stitch there. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to glue the top down where the zigzag stitches and the top little piece. You could glue the whole back sheet down if you want, but these are just sort of fun tear pages. Do whatever you like with them. But I wanted you to be able to look underneath and see the pretty leaf. There we go. There we go. And then for my next trick, I put a little something or other on top. I used a paper flower. See if I can find another paper flower fast. I think this is a fabric flower. Let me see, that might be too big. You could put a button, you could put just anything here. I could put that there. Okay, and let me do that. This is just a little applique. You could punch out something and put it here. That would look cute too. So it doesn't have to be an applique. It can just be a little accent, something or other, or nothing. It doesn't have to be anything there. Yeah. Okay, so we have that. And then the last thing for my last trick, I don't know how astounding this is, but can you see the word journey in there? I was goofing around with this idea. Not quite sure how successful I think it is, but I thought it was fun to try, and I think I'm just going to show you for the heck of it. Just got to find the stamp. Okay, so here's my journey stamp. It's just a word stamp, and I thought, wouldn't it be neat if I could do a white stamp there? And I've tried white inks before, and they don't really work all that well. So I thought, what if I used gesso? Oh, I know, right? That sounds like, what are you going to do, Pam, here? So I took it, and I took a little on my finger, and I thought, oh, this is going to be a disaster. But I'm going to try it anyway. What the heck? This is a new year. We're going to try new things. So there we go. Trying new things. And then I stamped it. And I got sort of a weirdy word. Yeah, that kind of worked out pretty good. That worked out better than the first one. And then I quickly ran off to the sink to wash this off because I know that that will dry and be crusty. So I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I have now officially washed a stamp. That's probably never happened before. But I had to do it now because the gesso, yeah, you got to decide what you're going to wash off. Ink, probably need to do it every once in a while, but definitely the gesso. It's white acrylic, so it might clog what the stamp looks like. And I really, really, really love this stamp, so it's still okay. All right, we're good. We're good. Worth the effort, Pam. Worth the effort. So there we go. I think we are done. This little guy. You could decorate the front if you like to, and put things on it. But I just wanted to show you the basic construction using the background of the gift wrap as an alternative choice to napkins or scrapbook paper or something like that. And so let me show you all the little thingies we made. So here's example thingy. Here's prototype. And then here is, okay, I'm gonna get them all on here so you can see. Oh, I know what I forgot. I gotta do one more thing. One more thing on my flower. I put some Nuvo drops on there. On the little end. Oh, you can't see? There we go. Oh, back it up, back it up. Okay, so let me put those. I have it still here. So if you just want to put a few little dotties on your flower, you can. I probably need to. Oh no, I got some coming out. Oh, all right, you want to go sideways? That's okay. 3. A few of those, just for fun. Yeah. So there you have it, folks. I hope you had fun playing with gift wrap and gift wrap and garbage. How about that? Gift wrap and garbage today. So lots of fun. Use what you have. Let's play. Let's remember that fun can be simple. And thank you very much for all of you new subscribers. I truly appreciate you guys hanging out here and checking out my channel. We do lots of fun, crafty things with paper, junk journals, journal embellishments, different ways to make journals. We'll make journals out of anything. And so you're going to see a lot of options of things like that coming to pass. Right now I'm doing a series on Fridays, which is Organizational Friday. So I'm going through my craft room methodically, cleaning out every little drawer and filming that. And so if you like organizational videos, you might like that. And if you are interested in any of the tools or supplies that I use, I have an Amazon store and I try and put everything in there so that you can find options for yourself. And also I have a Etsy shop where I put my vintage digital, I can never say this, vintage digital kits. Yes, this is the land of vintage digital kits. I still can't say it even slow. Digikits. Hey, I got digikits in the shop. And much better, Pam. And also some journals and gift bundles and things like that will cycle through as time goes on. Some are announced, some are surprised. Go check it out every once in a while. You never know what you find. All sorts of different things. I have a monthly emailed newsletter, which is free. You get a free digital image, a free junk journal tip of the month, a checklist of supplies for junk journal makers, and a note from the bookmaker that you can tuck into the front of any chunky monkey junk journals explaining what on earth this thing is and how you might be able to use it. And click the notification bell. Did I say that if you want to be notified of my videos coming out? I think that works. Videos come out Mondays, Wednesdays, Fridays, and Saturdays at 7 a.m. Eastern Time. Podcasts come out Tuesdays and Thursdays. Playlists are listed down below at the end of the videos and on my channel page, which is the Paper Outpost. You can find me on Instagram, Pinterest, Etsy, Twitter, LinkedIn, Facebook, and we have a Facebook group. Hey, come and join us. We're having a lot of fun creating things. And we do weekly and monthly challenges, and it's a very friendly, great, supportive group full of lovely people who love to paper craft. And remember that fun can be simple. And create with reckless abandon. If you want to see some reckless abandon, who's that? That is reckless abandon, all tired out. Yep, that's pretty much it around here right now. And growing. Okay, very nice, very nice. Go back to sleep, son. All right, take care, everybody. Happy crafting. Bye.